Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to another epic video. Today guys, we'll be cooking some roast beef along with some roast potato with some pasta salad as well. So I want you to stay tuned, follow me on this one. Nice and simple. So in here I've got some seasoning, powder seasoning that is. I've got like 2 teaspoons all-purpose, 2 teaspoons of jerk seasoning in here, and I've got 3 teaspoons of garlic powder, and I've got a little black pepper as well, and you know, some paprika powder as well. So I'm gonna slap it on into the beef, you know what I mean? Like so. Guys, I already washed and cleaned up my beef. Yeah, I always wash my meat, wash it off, and you know, get it clean. So yeah, that is it. That is it, guys. So I'm gonna just season this, put some powder seasoning on it and let it go and rest for a bit. Meanwhile, this is resting. I'm gonna sort out the potatoes, get the potatoes peeled. So let me get a little, just a little soy sauce on it as well. Yeah, like so, and I'm gonna be, yeah, I'm gonna massage it, like, you know what I mean, massage the seasoning into it, like so. Yeah man, this is it guys, look at that. Wow, it smells so good. Oh, yoy. My pan, I think. So I'm gonna check on my pan guys, I think. Should be hot right now, should be hot.
Hi guys, welcome to the Hot Kitchen, where today is May 19. Another epic adventure right in the Hot Kitchen. Today's roast beef. Yeah man, we're doing some roasted beef alongside some roasted potatoes. And you hear it from the boss himself, pasta salad.
We have make some pasta salad as well. And slap on a little virgin olive oil on it. You see it? Yeah man, that is it guys. That is it.
Lovely, firm, nice carrots right here. And all of this, I love this one guys. This is my favorite. I love a red onion. And look at those. Look at this. Look at this guys.
It's good in that.
Look at that. This is going now into the oven. Yeah man, right into the oven that is going now. Right into that oven it's going. Yeah man, right in there. The next time you see that, it's gonna be epic. And then again, I can tell you that the aroma is fantastic. coming out of that, guys. But yes, we are in the hot kitchen today, cooking up another sumptuous meal. Roast beef alongside some nice roasted potatoes, and then we're gonna top it off with some nice mackerel. What do you call this? What salad? Pasta salad. Yeah, man. Guys, stick and stay. Stick and stay with the hot kitchen. It's not normal here, guys. It's another epic adventure. Thank you so much for supporting us. Stick and stay, guys. Stick and stay.
Yeah, man. That is it, guys. You know, so in our kitchen we're there. So stay with us to the end, guys.
So guys, the roast beef is in the oven, and now peeling up some nice potatoes to make the roast potato. Guys, we had a premiere today with the dumplings, the pumpkin curry dumplings, and the support was overwhelming. We just want to thank you. We want to thank you for the support on that premiere. And I'm asking those who were not at the premiere if you could just watch the video. Thank you so much for your support. As you support us, you know that the Hot Kitchen is supporting you.
That is it. That is it, man.
Yes, guys, doing some roasted potato today, Sunday, the 19th of May. We are doing some nice roast beef. You saw it for yourself going into the oven. And also, we're doing some roasted, look at this. It's gonna be homemade. The boss is making this homemade.
Homemade style, guys.
Yeah, man.
It's all about.
It's homemade.
Nothing beat a good homemade meal. Nothing.
So guys, if you're at home and you think, hold on, I would prefer to have a homemade meal. Look at this. You just saw what happened with the beef. You just saw what happened with that steak. And now you're seeing what happening with the potatoes. It's gonna be epic. Another great meal today. The sun is shining. Yeah, man, the sun is pelting on the outside.
Sun is out in all its glory, guys.
Yes, guys, the sun is out. And today is another epic adventure. Yeah, man, another epic adventure today. Look at the sun. Look outside. I showed you the apples last week. Last week we did the roasted fish alongside the roast lamb barbecue. Yeah, it was a barbecue lamb on that grill on the outside, and I showed that to you last week. But today it's a different adventure today, guys. Today is gonna be a different adventure. Pot is getting ready for the potatoes, and this one here is getting ready for something. Guys, watch the process, see what's going on. It's not normal. This is it. It's not normal, guys. This is it. It's epic round here.
What's this? Very sweet.
Look at this one here. It doesn't matter how it looks, it's going in the pot. Guys, if you're just joining us, this is Savvy's Hot Kitchen. We're extremely happy to have you on board. We continue to appreciate your support, and we ask that you continue to support us. And let me tell you something, we are supporting you. We are watching your videos. We are giving you the thumbs up. We are giving you the subs. And, you know, by doing that, we are growing together. So, guys, stick and stay in the hot kitchen and continue to support us while we continue to support you. If you haven't yet subbed to the channel, guys, please do so. If you haven't yet liked the video, go watch one and like the video. If you haven't yet given us a membership, guys, consider doing that. It's 99 pence. So, guys, stick and stay with us. It's epic in the hot kitchen.
Yeah, man. And don't forget, guys, to watch the ads. Please watch the ads, guys. Please.
Yeah, man. Watch the ads. That's where the revenue comes from. The ads, the views, and the membership. Help us out, guys.
That is it. That is it.
That is it. Stay right here.
Keep it locked, guys.
Yes,
to the
yes,
hot kitchen.
yes. Stick and stay.
Right.
Pasta is in the pot.
So then we're going to get some potatoes in as well.
The potatoes going in, guys. They're going to be soft and crispy. Watch the process. You're going to see what the boss put on these potatoes to make it finger licking good. Look at that. It's a whole pot of potatoes today. That is it.
That is it, guys. Alright, I'll leave this to cook. In the meantime, I'm going to check on
that's the pasta for the salad. It's gonna be nice, guys. It's roast today in the hot kitchen. It's roasted beef or steak alongside potatoes, and that is it. We're gonna have a look at that now. It's not ready, we're just looking at it. We just, ooh, the aroma that comes from this beef. Wow, look at this, guys. The aroma. Oh my God.
Have a look, guys. Have a look. Have a look.
This is not normal at all in the hot kitchen, guys. Wow, I can't wait to dig into this.
Yeah,
guys, if you're just joining us, it is the hot kitchen. It is Savvy's Hot Kitchen. And today we are doing roasted beef along with some pasta salad and some nice crispy homemade potatoes.
Yeah, man, that is it.
Guys, stay in the hot kitchen because I tell you, the aroma coming from this right now is not normal at all. Look at it. Oh my days. Wow. There is no limit to the hot kitchen boss, guys. Just throw it at him and it's ready. That's all I can tell you. Throw it at him and it's ready. One of our subscribers requested this meal right here. Roasted beef. One of our subscribers requested roasted beef with potatoes, homemade potatoes, and the salad. And this is what the boss is doing for our #1 subscriber. Yeah, man. One of our subscribers all the way from the Philippines has requested this meal because they're saying they want to give it a try in their kitchen. And so the hot kitchen took on the challenge today. So I'm sure that and our subscriber, she will see this firsthand. So yes, man, stick and stay, guys. And if you think you want to see something special coming out of the hot kitchen, you can do a request as well. Yes, you can do a request as well. Look at that. It's gonna be homemade potatoes. You're gonna see it's gonna be crispy, it's gonna be nice. Watch this space, guys. Don't go anywhere. Stick and stay in the hot kitchen. Thank you so much for your support. You've been so supportive. Week on week, day on day, we can rely on you guys. Thank you so much for your support towards the hot kitchen. And guys, if you do not yet watch the premiere that we did today, you need to go and see that. That was some lovely soft dumpling, and what we did was to grate this pumpkin here, and we blend the flour, the plain flour and the pumpkin together, and then we cooked it down. You saw that. We cooked it down in some coconut milk. It was delicious. And then some stewed chicken on the side. I tell you right now, guys, if you have not yet watched last premiere, it's the pumpkin coconut. It's a pumpkin curry dumpling. Yeah, man. Cooked down in coconut sauce. I tell you right now, guys, that's not something to miss. You gotta go there and you're gonna watch it. But in the meantime, today, what we're doing is some lovely roasted lamb alongside this right here. It's gonna make salad and some nice pumpkin in that pot right there. That's what we're doing today. That's it. That is it. And you know already that the beef is already in the oven. Guys, stick and stay in the hot kitchen. Stick and stay.